Oh my goodness, I am so excited to share this nail stamp for a cause, and we feel very passionate about. I know we're proud. So if I am going to show you is actually the Hawaii Arts Alliance bundle. This bundle comes with the Hawaii Arts Alliance plate, which is this. It also comes with specialty design stamper and scraper set. So you get this beautiful yellow ice cube stamper that still allows you to see through. But not only that, the importance is the design here. So we have a lot of words, which is perfect to describe how we feel about the Stamp for a Cause campaign. Also with this bundle, you will be getting royal blue. It's a gorgeous blue color, very true royal blue. So if you purchase this set that comes with this beautiful canvas bag, and don't worry if you're looking for something else that you want to support, we are coming out with more products that fit within our Stamp for a Cause, and we can't wait to share them with you.